You're Simtv visionary, like.
Hey, 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 hey. Load up. Looking fine, baby, okay. Pop that ass, baby, let it shake. Damn, baby, and them tights, that shake. Her ass, her breast, figure 8. Shorty look too good, bet on vacay. Shorty eating good, thicky with that cake. Yeah, I bust a 630. Shorty been into the floor. Shorty looking like she know that she ate. Her no leg stars, need a whole plate. What's between the thighs, need on my face.
What he said? We about to go on this boat party, my nigga. Alright, so boom. We on our way to this boat party. Got my dogs with me. There's a lot more that we came with and shit like that, but you know, regular, summertime vibes. I remember I went to a boat party last year. I had to run it back for y'all because y'all fucked with that. What are the guys we outside? Get back up there. I got like somebody gotta record. I'm recording, cool.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
Anzi, how you feeling?
Feeling good, bro.
Yeah?
Niggas outside again.
Come on, y'all, look at the vibe. Oh, nah, this shit shaky as a mother. Look at this shit, y'all. The boat ain't even moved yet, but look how much space. There's 2 floors of this shit. We're not even in the front. It's the back. I with my dog Guru. We looking for some roll up. We looking for some roll up.
Videos like huge Lady Mac, never the big one. You know what the fuck going on?
That's Lady Mac.
We
That's Lady Mac.
outside right now.
Who we got in the building?
Yeah, big shit. Fuck out of here.
Facts.
Microphone for a reason. Nah, boo, boo.
Yo, we're currently trying to leave the fucking party. We're currently trying to leave. We're in the party time right now by the fucking door. Get me off this boat. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. It's moving. Yes, yes. Get right here, bro. Why is he wearing outside like that? What the fuck is wrong with my friends, bro?
Lock in, bro. Listen, can we tap in, bro? Like, listen, the biggest movie ever, the biggest cancer affair that touched the culture. On that Ball City Yacht, King Carl, Lyrical Perception, the biggest cancer affair to touch the water. We are outside. Lyrical's birthday? Are you dumb?
Simtv!
But yo, we lit.
It's my son's birthday right now. He macking.
Also, his bro birthday?
He macking. Come on now.
Look at the views, y'all. Mad people in this bitch. I spot my friends. I spot my friends.
Yo, I go out DJ Go and them brother, you know the vibe out there wasn't gonna come, but we here now, you know that.
Keep it a dawn, you know. I'm back. Part
Hi,
2.
Ava.
Y'all didn't see me since Jamaica, so
Hey.
yo, I be doing crazy shit. Bro, I brought tampons, but the tampons is shots.
I'm dead.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we about to go to the beach, y'all. With my dogs. With my dogs. We just getting food and shit, but soon head to the beach. About to make a movie over there. You know what I'm saying? It's been like 2 years since I've been to New York Beach, bro. So we outside.
Hold on. You see this, what the shirt say? Too much motion. Got me dizzy. Just know. We got motion over here. No, it's motion over here. Respectfully. Look, see the V? See the V? Yeah, motion. It's motion.
So we made it out here. We waiting it out. It's the pregame. This nigga's pregame for everything. Sipping on amigos today.
Same shit. Now we.
This nigga Don Z is a fucking pimp, bro. Motherfucker Don Z, man. Shit.
Never ever found a pussy like this. I'm having just one face down. She love me cocky like this. I'm a flavor. My bedroom bully, she break it down, set it down.
Hey.
How are ya?
Good.
Good. Vloggy. Look at my peoples. All my peoples. We on the beach. The guys. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going down there. Family time. Gigi got
2 shots, I know that's right. That's
shots of Hennessy.
Oh, I thought her name was Dom. No.
Dom, what y'all go from?
Nah, you're
talking to him. I literally thought
Me too. I thought she was talking to me too. Okay.
Yo, you took the shot?
Yo, y'all supposed to wait.
Yo, wait, y'all chill.
Cheers. To another year, you know the vines. To another summer, you know the vines. Everybody outside on the 26th.
That's the dance class?
2, 3, 4.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Choreography.
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I just seen you past. Since the first time I touched the one like I never had. You already look good, glowed. I got way more past. How you do that? Honey, reason why I never get old. Love you till I die with you, I wanna grow old. I know you get on my nerves sometimes, but you say that you want. Love how you go back to school, cause keep diving in it all. Take that risk where you are. Go through it with you shit. Give me a conclusion how I feel. So real. Make the world stop a song. But you it don't get old. But you it don't get harder. She said tongue her eyes and smirky. She thinks that she waiting. Big face on me and show me. She said come see this stuff. I said I'm 30. She said hurry when she horny. Baby do that 30. Let's just do it. Baby show me come start me.
Oh my God, y'all won? You feel me? They beat y'all? Yes. Well, look at shit.
Niggas numbers don't lie, y'all.
Clock it.
Numbers don't lie.
They be cheating?
He cheated the whole lot. That's okay.
So don't y'all all have to take a shot?
I gotta confer with the team.
No, it's like, what, the losing team had to do? No, you come.
Oh shit, she remembered.
What the losing team had to do? What y'all had to do? What happened? Shit.
Wait, no, say hey, man.
Hello. Oh, this is a chat or something? You gonna be in the video?
He's an old head. He said this is chat
or something? What's up, chat?
My dog Malcolm. I love this guy, man. That's not Dooski. That's not Dooski. Nigga, main character syndrome. You must say.
What happened?
Yo, Bill, hold up. Throw the five.
Motherfucking bomb. Nah. So it's raining, so I don't know umbrella.
You know what?
Today.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah.
Fucking play with me.
Today. Yeah. But a party that us, how I'ma get back down? Oh shit. What the fuck? This spot tough as shit. What? Look what spot, yo.
Outside, nigga. I told you from outside. I told you to listen to me, nigga.
Now look at this is the best spot in the building, gang. What?
Baby, come hold this one. Baby, you don't want this. I said, baby. She can't what you say. Oh, my God.
Hush. You have some guy want to talk to you about.
Everybody outside on the 26th.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
Ladies, right now I want you to do.
Badge, I heard about all these niggas, but I'm gonna introduce you to something real nice. King Supreme and Just Ian, alright? If y'all don't know what the fuck is going on, y'all gonna find out tonight. King Supreme and Just Ian, we outside? Alright, yo, come on, yo, drop that shit one time.
Now we on the beach with the banger.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We had to go our separate ways. We had to go our separate ways. We had to go our separate ways. I miss calling you, I used to call you every day. It is crazy, I can't believe that I had to watch you walk away. You still made me a problem, like what the fuck is you on? Hey, what you come on? Fuck the talk, let's fuck it out. See what you want. Look, follow. Yeah, this way. Yeah, this way. Fuck it, I fucked up. Money, I know what I done. We can never start. She tired of my shit, she wanna pack me up. All them bitches call my phone at night. All them bitches call my phone at night. She said, what is I said, my son, she know I'm lying. And when the cross, you gonna push me to the side. I know right now that I gotta talk about that, but I had no home. I had to show, get it to my home. Everybody show. Careless, not especially, cause I had to stay up. Had to put on it until my situation changed up. What if I got at you? What if I get it right? And then I'll do the thing. Hold on. Y'all ready? For nobody to call, I know when that's gonna be the first one. Either way, he's scared to call. Yo, we outside! Come on, man! Yo, if you ain't drinking, make sure you get a shot, make sure you get a drink. But it's 3 o'clock and we still outside. Taking all these shots and all the bitch that she can't get. Yeah, I'm toxic with it. Tripping me by open, I'm providing for it. They was got my back and they was out of this shit. Play by my respect cause I'm a dime by that shit. I'm a dime by that shit. Yeah, I'm on her. Baby said she like my sweat, she feel like my persona. Every day I'm in the trenches, they say I'm a goner. I'ma take this shit right to the moon, that's on my mama. That's on my daughter for this shit. Say about my brother, but that's what I go to smash it. Cussing out Dello, baby, I'm about to twist shit. Go ahead if you playing with mine. Been through it all, you can see in my eyes. Been through it all, you can see in my eyes. Oh, taking all these shots and all. My bitch said I fucked another bitch that she can't get. What you say, yeah. Better than any nigga that you ever put inside my way, yeah. Better than any nigga that you ever put inside my place. Niggas get him out the way, yeah. You know that I'm better anyway. You know that I'm better anyway. without you. I said I'm done and I'm through. Baby, I'm cool. Keep it going on for you. Moving on cause I'm better than this shit. Turn it out, you better than this bitch. Mom never stress about it, bitch. Any bitch I want, I can get. I be switching names on the home. Now watch me boss. 100 bad bitches on the phone. I ain't had this shit, make sure you show me. Sorrows in my cup, cause I know. I said ain't no running back. Hold on. No more hands on my shoulder. I don't give a fuck about the fucking closure. I ain't tripping, let go. You told me down when I was low. And I ain't never fall. Now watch me boss. 100 bad bitches on the road. I ain't had this shit, make sure you saw me. Sorrows in my cup, cause I ain't no running back. Hold on. No more hands on my shoulder. I don't give a fuck about no fucking closure. My feelings damn feel like eating soda. But you won't see me again. Can't see my only down when this shit is you fucking on my lane, nigga. Know that try to get some shit. Feel like a kid. Can't watch me. Get it down. Can't get my girl as we speak. Call you bitch, look at that shit you done to me. But I ain't trippin'. Let's get more bad bitches. Let's get more bad bitches. Let's get more. Let's get more bad bitches. Let's get more bad bitches. Let's get more bad bitches. Let's get more. You think you winning with your big one? I'ma show you something better. How dare you play in my face when you know I'm the ready? I'ma play with a gangster. I'ma show you what I'm on. I'ma rap with these bad I'm running back. Hold on. No more hands on my shoulder. I give a fuck on the fucking closure. Looking for me, okay. All that big little shit. Damn, baby, taste that shit. Hot press to the day. Taste that shit. Hot press. I'm picky with that cake, yeah, picky with it. Got a little way, but I ain't picky with it. Bust her down and we out on the day, let's get a quickie in it.
W party, bro. My legs, bro. My leg is dead, bro. I was standing all day, bro.
Stomach, everything.
W party.
Don't go crazy.
Like,
but
comment, subscribe. Simtv, something like y'all know the vibes. We outside. Just like, look.
That's not
I'm tired, man.
I'm telling you and your friend. Look at him.
What up?
Show me too. Oh, sorry, Larry. Hey.
Okay. It's after the party, you feel me?
JSC, go on YouTube.
Fuck it, though. Like that video.
You know you start off on your knees and then
Yeah,
get up.
Stop me with that problem, so big man. My little dance will give a D, take out of the stress. Yeah, I'm talking listen. Druggy, yeah, I'm talking listen. Yeah, and I said, baby, my shit working.